So today I'm gonna cook with my mom for the first time.
So guys, Michelle is gonna cook with me for the first time. Today we'll be cooking stew, tomato sauce, buka stew, or whatever. So we are using this. Michelle, what's this?
Pepper.
This is boy pepper. We're using onions, rodo, and guys, Michelle, don't back the camera. And guys, I'm going to be using cow leg.
Why we eat cow leg?
Because it's yummy. So with fish. So guys, let's start. Let's do.
I'm gonna cook.
Okay, start cooking.
But how?
You asking me how you said you want to be the cook today.
Wow. You have to help me.
You say what?
You have to help me.
Okay, so first thing we have to blend the peppers. We have to blend. Yes, exactly.
You mean that we have to take the blender?
Yes. Why are you doing your face like that?
It's so long. This thing.
Huh?
So like this, I won't pour my words in.
So now you have to pour the tomatoes inside. So do you know how to open it? Open it.
Like Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
Huh?
Like Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
Yes, you have to put it like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Yeah.
Like.
You have to be very careful so it won't cut your. Okay.
And after what should I do next?
Okay, wait, let me help you. You do like this.
You do.
Then you pour it like this inside. So. What are you doing?
Look, it's red. It's like this one is like a little bit orange, and this one is red.
Okay. Cover it and let it pour.
Oh.
Our chef is progressing.
But I'm not really strong.
Huh?
But I'm not really strong because I didn't do the tomatoes. I couldn't open
Okay.
coming from us. You see, like the smoking is coming to my hands, and my hand is getting like hot. Look, there's some bubbles. With this thing.
Yes, cover it in one. Okay, so the fish is fried already. Yeah. Yeah, it's.
Look at this super good.
Yeah. So how is it going, Michelle?
Good.
Look at me. How is it going? How is it?
Good.
Good. So now you can mix stew now. Pour it inside. Pour it. More. That's okay. Let me see.
Is it better? So right now we'll pour the onion.
I said, take the bacon and same. Put it together. Put a spoon of tomatoes.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Because I put it from the. Let it be. Yeah. The first, so that you see the onion is starting to burn. You have to pay me for cooking you, eh? This way that you have to pay me money. Yes, you have to pay me for cooking you how to cook. So what are you going to pay me? Huh?
$100.
$100. Okay, so when
But I have dollars on my purse. Not the coins, these fake money.
I don't want fake money, I want the real money. When I give me the real money.
I don't know. I don't even have real money. I only have coins.
You have to have good money and pay me, okay? So what are you going to do?
I bird me because when I mixed it, that's still bird me.
Okay, so what are you going to do? Pay me. You have to pay me for cooking you how to cook.
Well, I don't have money now. I'm still a child.
I'm still a child.
I don't have money. Or I'm gonna. Oh my God, mommy! Are you okay? Are you burning yourself? I'm gonna wear glasses because I'm gonna protect my eyes.
Okay, guys, so
this is my new white glasses that will be buying shit. Can I try?
Okay, so
Hey,
what?
wait, put it. Oh my gosh, I will have to hold it. Oh dear.
Let's see how it looks now.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's cover it.
Uh,
So remove this thing here. So we'll just allow it to cook it. So now you have to put the Maggi.
what is Maggie?
That's it. Like the seasoning. It's the seasoning. So take one. Do you know how to remove? Do you know how to remove?
Oh, there's two inside.
Move closer so that.
Good.
Just pour it inside. Once it's okay. You can just pour it like this. Yes, everything like this. You see like that. Is this flashing you?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's
Yeah.
okay.
Turn it.
Makes
Yeah,
it very well, huh?
good girl. Okay, yeah, I can cover it and let it cook.
Cook
Oh my god, Michelle made the stew.
with the cow leg.
Yeah.
So all the ingredients. It was pepper, onion, salt, Maggi,
I think that's it. Okay.
cow leg,
Okay, so we let it cook.
and we blend it.
Yeah, okay.
I think I forgot one thing. What is it called? The pepper already, the small
Pepper,
one.
the tomato, okay, the rodo.
Tomato, rodo, and the tomato sauce, and another one tomato sauce. So that's why we use 9 ingredients. Oh, I don't like lights. So right now our food is done.
Our soup. Our buka stew. This is buka stew. Do you know buka stew?
No.
Do you know the meaning of buka in Nigeria?
No.
So right now our buka.
Is our soup?
Here's our soup.
Ah, the burn is hot.
Wow.
I
So
can mix it a little bit.
yes, you can mix it a little bit. Now it's done. It's ready.
Look at this.
Our soup by Michelle. Yes. How is it?
Good.
Are you sure it's good? Is it spicy?
It's spicy. I need water. Can you give me a cup?
Michelle, it's not spicy. Let me test. It's not spicy.
Will you-
No, it's not spicy. So now we have to put in
Wait.
the fish. What?
It's spicy.
Michelle, stop it. Stop this
It's
drama.
spicy.
It's not spicy. Move closer. Yeah, put the fish. Bring the fish. Wait. So now we have to put the fried fish.
Be careful, don't splash too much.
Okay, guys. So, no, you don't need to turn it. Just leave it like this so that's not.
I still like the taste, but it's just spicy.
You what?
It's I like the taste, but it's just spicy.
Yeah. So what are we?
Put pepper.
Yes. So what are we gonna eat with it?
Eba.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. I'm Chef Michelle.